Hello, how are you? Today we're going to see how to send money to the Philippines using Remitly. Alright, I already have my Remitly account here. The first step you need to take is to create your own Remitly account. Once your Remitly account is created, we're going to click here. Okay, this is very important. Here to choose the country, in this case the Philippines. Okay, here we have the Philippines and we select it. Secondly, what we're going to do is, if we don't have a payment method added to our account, we'll go ahead and add one. To do this, we're going to click here, give it a click here, and then go to Settings. Here, when the settings open, we're going to look for the Payment Methods option. And here we're going to add a payment method. Choose the one you think is necessary. Alright, once it's added, what we're going to do is click this button that says Send Money. Click there. And well, what we're going to do here is pretty simple. We're going to enter the amount we want to send. For example, let's suppose I'm going to send this amount. This is what the other person in the Philippines would be receiving. Now I have to choose the payment method. Okay? How am I going to send the money to the person? In this case, I can choose from all these options. For example, here we have the GCash option. Now then, here in the payment method, we're going to choose the option whether it's debit card, credit card, or bank account. In this case, I recommend you leave the option you added to your profile. In this case, debit card. Here, you just click continue. And now, all that's left is to enter the details of the person who will receive the money, okay? And well, once you enter the details, you simply send the money, okay? You just have to fill in a few details and send the money. If this video helped you, please leave a comment and subscribe.